Hello and welcome to WordPress tutorials. Today I'm starting a brand new series in which I'll show you tips and tricks about Fiverr and tell you how can you make more money on Fiverr using some skills such as WordPress and other basic skills. So as you can see that I am a level 2 seller on Fiverr and I have some gigs about WordPress. These are the gigs I'm using on Fiverr. It's WordPress customization, putting data from another site into your WordPress site and build website with Elementor and fix some errors for WordPress. So all these gigs are related to WordPress, and as my channel is related to WordPress and I'm making tutorials for WordPress, so I decided to show you how you can make money on Fiverr using those skills. So you can watch my videos and learn how to build a website using WordPress or how to fix error using WordPress, and then you can make a gig for Fiverr and people can buy this. So just for a quick review, I'm showing you how much I earned in this month. So this is my current month's states. So till 30th June I will have total $1,400 in my account. So my today's video is about how you can make early payouts from Fiverr. For example, your pending clearance will take up to 15 days to come to your paid balance, so you can withdraw it. But Fiverr just announced a new features which called early payouts, and if you come to your earnings page and then for any clearance which is still pending, for example this $60 will be cleared on 27, but if I want it today, then I can click on this early payout and Fiverr will charge 1% of my amount, which is 61 cents. And if I will click on get paid, then Fiverr will immediately clear this balance and it will be immediately available here. So my balance will be 1000 and something, about round about 110 maybe. Okay, so that was the feature that Fiverr announced within last week, and I just wanted to tell you that how it works, and I'll also give you some tips and tricks on Fiverr. So how can you attract more customers and turn them into your clients, because I'm receiving daily new messages from my clients and buyers. So I'll tell you how you can reach to that level, and also if you have any question about your Fiverr profile, then you feel free and I'll reply in the comment section, or if necessary I'll make a new video according to your question and then publish to YouTube. So please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any future updates, and I'll continuously uploading videos about WordPress and Fiverr. So this is a brand new series, so please don't miss out and please subscribe to my channel and please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.